tell you about our unique filter options and how they work in a coolant application. We take pride in everything we manufacture, and our filters are no exception. Our high-efficiency filters are made right here in Canada and are some of the longest lasting on the market today. Our oil mist collectors are internationally recognized as an industry leader, and the progressive filter stages used are a big reason why. For this video, I'll take you through some of our most popular filter options and show you why they are essential for your next oil mist collector. So our mechanical element is the first stage in our oil mist collectors. Smooth metal surfaces quickly drain fluid back to the sump, and multiple layers help remove up to 90% of the oil mist and swarf. These filters can be taken out, rinsed thoroughly, then put right back into your mist collector. Having a filter that can be hand washed saves on replacing and maintenance time. The first stage mechanical element is suitable for both high pressure coolant and oil applications. For coolant applications, the second stage will be an agglomerator filter. This is a unique depth loading oil mist filter. Layers of stainless steel wire mesh are intertwined with oil attracting fibers. High efficiency as the air travels through a bed of coarse and fine fibers at low velocity. The channels between each layer provide exceptional fluid drainage. The media is very durable, lasting up to 10 to 15 years on most applications, and these can also be washed instead of replaced. Next is the third stage fiber bed filter, which utilizes a very large surface area to better separate the remaining particles. High-efficiency fiber bed filter will typically last 1 to 3 years, a depth-loading solution that will catch the small particles others cannot. It is also used as a pre-filtration for the HEPA filter, helping to extend its life. And lastly, our HEPA filter. They capture submicron mist, smoke, and bacteria. Aeroex HEPA filters are made exclusively for oil mist, heavy-duty microglass media in the oil mist separate. Pre-filtration, HEPA filters can last an average of 3 to 4 years. Make sure you stay up to date with everything going on at Aeroex by following us on Facebook or Instagram, and be sure to check back regularly for more informative videos like this one on our YouTube channel.